This is my second video using my new drone. The beautiful hall here that's had to have millions spent on it because some arsonist tried to burn it down. Really sad, because it's a real gem in the heart of Wythenshawe. Everybody's really proud of it. So look at this beautiful parkland. We're so lucky to have this in our area. So I'm just banking round there. And then we come across Oliver Cromwell looking really sad there on his own. So there's a bit of a wobble here as I go in. And then because I zoomed in 4 times magnification, this footage is incredibly shaky, unfortunately. I have tried to do a image stabilisation or a video stabilisation, but they're not that easy to come by on the iPhone. So they'd look nice as stills, these of him, because I think they look quite nice. The lighting's quite nice, but unfortunately a bit of a wobble. So I need to look into why that's happened. Thanks for watching.